Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one based website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. That website pay you just Litecoin and very high payment website in this all time. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. This website pay you free Litecoin, earn up to this much Litecoin every hour. You can claim from this website. This website have a game, safe security, generating referral, and all things. This much gameplay and this much Litecoin. This website pay to users, and this much users around of the world this website has. Okay, first of all, put your just click sign up. You can put your username, email, password, confirm password, then solve this little capture. You can easily make an account. I have already an account. Just I put my email and my password and just solve this little capture. I can easily sign up in this website, and I show you how you can start earning from this website. Before I start, you can see this much I have in my balance every day. You can make more than first of all, if you verify your email address, this website pay you bonus 10 time claim bonus, and in first pay you a stone this much Litecoin every 1 hour. If you reaching this much amount, you can claim this much Litecoin every hour. Okay, first of all, solve this little capture in here. After solving the capture, count down, just click this one. Okay, just click it and wait, and you can see this much amount pay me, but it for right now for 90 hours this will be pay me double. Okay, because of that pay me double. And if I reach this target, and after every hour I will be earn this much Litecoin. How I can reach in that target? I go to this three dash and just click multiple. Okay, multiple Litecoin. You can click any game you want. You can play to reaching that amount. I just click these. This little bit good. Okay, I pay 10. Okay, 10, and for winning I will be put this much, and I click automatically, and then I increase the amount. If I lose, increase the amount 40%. Okay, what's this gonna do? If you lose, the amount will be increased 40%, and then automatically beating. Okay, just I click beating. You can see I lose, I win, I lose, I win. This will be automatically your profit and your loss. This doesn't matter if you lose or you win, because in the multiple you will be earned your amount. I go to faucet again to show you the amount. Okay, you can see this much regret I will do in that game. If you doing that game all day, you will be able to reach this amount target, and you will be good to the stone. Okay, next is bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and master. In the master, you can every hour you can earn this much Litecoin. And the next way you can earn from here is the short links. Every day, if you watch this all short links, I watch it. Some of this short links is doesn't work. For example, this short links is doesn't work because I work it 3 or 4 times, doesn't pay me. and this 2 short links and this one 4 short links. In the all short links doesn't works, and if you watch all of these short links, every short links pay you this much Litecoin Satoshi, and you can easily make much more amount. Just I calculate how much amount you this website pay you like short links. Every short links pay you this much Litecoin. Total short links is 22 short links. You can earn this much Litecoin every day just watching the short links. Never take 30 minutes, okay? And if you watch for 30 days, you are able to reach the amount of withdrawal, okay? Not just working in that. This website have a survey. If you go to in here, if you complete the survey, you can this website pay you like a survey too, but right now no available survey. Maybe 1 or 2 days after that you will be able to do its survey. And the payouts, you can see a lot of people making their payouts. You can see this person make this much. A lot of people make money from this website. This website is not a fake website. This website pay under person, and you can see the time they collect. You can click one of these and this will be show you the withdrawal proof of the confirmation, network confirmation. You can see the network confirmation, network fees, total receive, and all things about this website. This website is under person paying website, not fake website, okay? And right now, if you want to make much more, you can affiliate other people to come join with your referral link, and you can easily make much more amount. And if you want to make much more higher, just complete this target and you able to make much more amount if you complete that target, okay? And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. This is the one of the best website you can claim very high amount. And if you work in this website, I will be share with you the withdrawal proof after 1 week, because I will be work harder to this website to I reaching the amount of the withdrawal. Okay, I share with you the minimum amount of the withdrawal. This is the minimum amount of the withdrawal. 0.005 is the minimum amount of the withdrawal, and this much transaction fees, okay? And this website pay you automatically to your faucet pay or your Coinbase, any wallet address you have, this website pay you, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. Come join this website, because after 2 weeks I will be share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. If you join faster, you're able to easily make your free cryptocurrency from this website, and that's the one of the best, because I love to you all make much more money like me. And in this January I will share with you how I earn $100 just from this all website I share with you in this January, okay? And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.